Hey people, if you don't mind, please ignore the background noise. I just want to share some thoughts, what I think or what makes me sleep at night. As you can see, my account is really packed, it has a lot of money in there. And honestly, that's all the money that I have in the world. I invested that money hoping that, in 3 months I was going to have double that. I get that money and I do something big with it, reinvest some of the money in this platform, take vacations and, dreams. I was dreaming really big. This is a lot of money to just, flush out in the waters just like that, in the water mines. But I knew exactly what I was getting into. It was too good to be true, but I bought in and, whatever is happening is happening. I do not know if they're out. I do not know if they exit scam. All I do know is they don't update. They're not giving. Uh, they're not telling people, hey, we're doing something about it. They just haven't come out to say something. People are out there trying to investigate. I even seen some videos of somebody claiming go out to the office and but all of that said, again, just looking at this, that some people are going through more than some people. There are people who have like $600,000 invested, and some people have 100, and some people just have maybe $6,000. Some people might have 1,000. Some people might just have $400. It depends. It all depends on your pocket size or your risk, your risk tolerance and all that stuff. People are different, but truth is everybody is going through something right now. Watermind isn't saying anything. Um, but yeah, just have hope. That's all I can say. But think of this, right? Think of it this way. The platform is massive right now. To exit scam right now is like, it's stupid. Think of it. The platform has lots of members on it right now, and you could have people trust your platform so much that they're willing to invest hundreds of thousands. Some people invest millions. I know that for sure. If you have a platform that people are ready to get on there and say, hey, I'm putting everything that I have, put hundreds of thousands of dollars. I know it's stupid to some people, but like I said, I knew exactly what I was getting myself into, and I did anyway. I don't regret a damn thing, because if this thing ends up working, I, become wealthier than 100,000, at least 200,000, right? If we get out there and do the calculation on the front page, let's actually do that. What is that? This here, say, is it $100,000? $100,000 account. How much do you exit with? You exit $234,000. So that's an extra $134,000. I knew exactly what I was getting myself into. I knew this might happen. It might be an exit scam. And I also felt, hey, it's a gamble. So I gambled, and I'm not a gambler, but I did this one, and right now I don't sleep at night. Right. I hope you do sleep at night, because I'm starting to sleep better at night now. Just feeling like, hey, things like this happen. You know what I mean? Things like this happen. But what I'm trying to say is the platform is really massive. If they exist here with a couple of 100 million, the joke's on them. Definitely, the joke's on them, right? Because this thing could easily make them way more money than exiting with a couple of 100 million. Just think of it. If they decide to create their own coin and force people to use that coin before withdrawing money out, that drives the value of their own coin or token. There's some other account that's doing it. They call them Patron Pay. They're doing that. Most people would think that way, right? So I'm just saying, if they're stupid enough to exit out with a couple of with a couple of 100 million, then that makes me sleep better at night, right? Because I feel like, okay, I've been scammed by someone's even dumber than I am to have invested my money in this, right? So that gives me hope. Like, I don't think they're just gonna give up a platform as lucrative and as massive as this. The growth within just a couple of months, not even over a year, with that much popularity and massive recruitment, it just breaks my heart if they do otherwise. If they don't continue going up, instead they exit scam, right? It's a beautiful platform. Just thinking of it that way, there's so much they can do with the platform. They could turn it into something like a trading platform. You know, those things make me feel better about myself. Like, they're definitely gonna come back, and withdrawals are gonna go through. Hundreds of thousands gonna be made. Some people are gonna exit out for good. Some people are gonna come back. Um, I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know if this gives you any hope. This video was just to, tell you my thoughts. I just want to share my thoughts. I hope you get some out of it. And good luck to you, your journey in investing. Hey, and this is my first video, by the way. It's gonna get better. But if you do like the video, please do smash that like button. Hit that subscribe. And I'm gonna make some content. It's gonna get better. All right, it's gonna get better. Don't worry about this stuff. I'm just one of those people who, hey, you lose one, jump on the next one, start trying to make it happen for yourself. I hear making videos on YouTube is gonna it can be an opportunity, so I'm jumping on that boat, and let's see. Ain't nobody gonna exit scam me on that one, right? So let's see how that goes. Okay, so smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Common Sense. All right, there. Y'all have a good one.